Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to use the new camera leveling feature on Instagram stories. This feature is great for making your post level to the horizon when taking a photo or a video. To access it, let's go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Now let's create a story by tapping on the plus sign and then tapping on story. Now at the left hand side, tap on the level icon, which looks like a circle with a line through it. You will then see a grid appear on the screen with the level icon in the middle grid. As you rock your phone from left to right, the icon will rotate. Now this tool will help you keep your photos or videos level to the horizon. Using the tool, try to make your phone straight. Once it detects it is straight, the box in the middle will turn green and the phone will vibrate once. Now using the guide, you will be able to create posts that are level with the horizon. And there you go, that is how to use the new camera leveling feature on Instagram stories. Hope this has been useful to you. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.